What's up guys, welcome back to YJ's vlog. And today I'm going to experience the Thermea SPA. It's my second time going to spa, but this time is special. I'm going to travel with my girlfriend. But before that, I'm going to pick up my girlfriend at Toronto, and our booking for the Thermea SPA, I think it's at 7 o'clock today. And I believe the traffic will get heavier and heavier when I go to downtown, so I definitely need to go earlier to avoid the traffic. Today I'm going to buy a small mice for my python. Alright, I'm here. Holy moly, that's so tall. Who the hell did that? I finally get the mice for my python. There's two sides of it. I don't know if my python will able to eat the large one. However, it only shows small mice. I'm not quite sure. I'll check about it when I feed it. And the last one is the size that my python usually eats. It's frozen fossils. Hi guys, say hi to my python. I have him for like 1 year and he kept growing. He haven't eaten for like 1 week. However, this is the right pattern for python to eat. So I usually feed him for like every week. Whenever you see a snake looks like this, like he's squeezing it, it means that he's prepared to attack. So watch out when you are in the forest or the park.